Hi, I'm John. I'm with Window Gang. Window Gang was established in 1986. We are currently servicing over 1,600 cities in the U.S. and Canada. Window Gang is considered an industry expert in house washing, deck restoration, concrete cleaning, roof cleaning, but of course we're best known for window cleaning. The lack of reliable cleaning contractors is what led us to form a truly customer service-oriented company. It's this commitment to customer service that both sets us apart and keeps our customers coming back with an industry-leading retention rate. When you call Window Gang, you get a real person answering the phone, not an answering machine. All of our employees undergo a thorough nationwide background check. You can feel safe having Window Gang in your home. We are fully insured with general liability, workman's comp, and bonding on all of our employees. With Window Gang, you get quality service at a fair price. So call Window Gang today for all of your cleaning needs. You work on your golf game, we'll work on your house.